Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited to have you back here. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe if you're enjoying this video so you can continue to see more like it. In today's video, we're going to be talking about entertaining made easy. I love to entertain and have people over. I really think that good hospitality can make a huge difference in someone's life and make them feel special and valued. However, I do think that a common sentiment when it comes to entertaining is that it is nice to do, but it's a lot of work. The prep before the event, the work during, and the cleanup after can all hinder our efforts to want to throw a party or host an event. Today, I'll be sharing my tips on how to entertain without a lot of fuss. We're going to begin by talking about easy meals that you can prepare or purchase to serve at your party that will not only taste good, but will come together in just a few minutes. Let's talk about this beautiful and yummy Caprese salad. This salad is fresh and comes together in just a few minutes. The ingredients needed are cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, fresh mozzarella, and basil and parsley leaves. Cut the tomatoes in half, chop up your cucumber and herbs, and then add the mozzarella with a bit of olive oil and balsamic vinaigrette. Add salt and pepper to taste. Including the prep time, this should take you about 15 minutes to prepare. The next easy food item is this delicious pre-made puff pastry. I found this one at Aldi's and it's an artichoke and cheese puff pastry. You can find something similar to this at your local grocery store. Having a pre-made entree makes entertaining a lot easier. I think the key is to have a balance between freshly prepared foods and foods that are pre-made. This way, your guest is not going to feel like you've prepared everything in a microwave. This puff pastry takes about 20 minutes in the oven, and it was ready to serve right after. Another freshly prepared dish that takes no time at all is egg salad. I generally prepare mine the night before because it gives the eggs time to chill, and egg salad does keep well in the refrigerator. On the day of your event, you simply put it in between 2 slices of bread, cut off the crust, and presto, your sandwiches are ready. Scones are another easy thing to prepare. You can make them from scratch or purchase a mix. I will link one of my favorite mixes in the description box below. Whether you make them from scratch or use a mix, baking these in your oven is simple and will fill your home with a delicious scent of freshly baked goods. Scones bake in about 15 minutes as well. For dessert, I usually purchase my items from my local bakery. This will ensure a freshly baked taste without having to do all the baking yourself. I typically serve a small cake, macarons, and either cookies or cupcakes. For this particular party, I served mini cupcakes. If you keep to the 50-50 rule, which again is 50% fresh and 50 pre-made, I believe that you'll have a nice spread for your guests and you won't have a whole lot of fuss in the kitchen. Another way to make entertaining easy and stress-free is to use paper plates and napkins. For a tea party, however, I wouldn't go as far as using paper cups, and that's just because one of the beauties of a tea party is admiring the china. So stick with just paper plates and napkins and use your teapots and your teacups. For this party, I found these lovely floral print plates and matching napkins. These can be easily disposed of once your guests are finished eating, and it'll make the cleanup process that much easier. I hosted this lovely tea party for my niece Ashley's birthday, and she was delighted with how everything turned out. I hope that you enjoyed these tips and these lovely pictures, and I look forward to your comments, and I hope that you'll let me know which tip you found to be the most useful. As usual, have a tea-rific day, and we'll talk next time. Bye!